Welcome to solverfy.
Hello students, the question says that in a population homozygous dominant individual which are represented as AA make up 49% of the population, while the heterozygous, which is represented as AA form 42%, and the homozygous recessive individual is represented as AA forms 9%. Now the question asked is, what is the frequency of A and A allele, dominant and recessive allele? So since the frequency of or the proportion of the population with homozygous dominant individuals 49%, which is equal to 0.49. Likewise, AA, which is 42%, forms 0.42, and the recessive AA, which forms 9%, which is equal to 0.09. As we know that the homozygous dominant individuals are represented as P square, while homozygous recessive are represented as Q square, and heterozygous represented as 2PQ in Hardy-Weinberg equation, which says that P square plus 2PQ plus Q square equals 1. Also, P plus Q equals 1, while P and Q represent the allele frequency of dominant and recessive alleles respectively, while the P square and Q square represent the genotype frequencies of homozygous dominant and heterozygous dominant genes. So we will calculate the frequency of the recessive allele, which is Q. So as we know that Q square, which is represented by homozygous recessive gene, is equal to 0.09. So Q will be equal to just 0.09, which is equal to 0.3. So we can say that the allele frequency of recessive allele A, which is represented by Q here, is 0.3. Now we can use this equation to calculate the allele frequency of the dominant allele, which is P. So P will be equal to 1 minus Q, which is 0.3. So P will be equal to 0.7, which is represented as the frequency of dominant allele. So the frequency of dominant allele is 0.7, while the frequency of the recessive allele is 0.3. I hope you found the video useful. Thank you.